Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device and tap Login with phone number. Tinder does not use passwords for security. It uses verification codes from phone numbers to verify the user and log in. So, resetting your password on Tinder means changing your phone number. Now, enter a new phone number. Once you do that, tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your new phone number, and Tinder will automatically fill in the code. Tap Continue. And that's how you reset your password on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.